How to contact Ecwid Support. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact Ecwid Support. Now, to do this, the first thing to do is to log in into your Ecwid account using your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard automatically. Then once you're on your dashboard, you'll move over to the top right corner of the screen, where you see some options such as the upgrade option, your profile icon, as well as the get help option. This get help option is the customer support, so just click on it. And once you click on it, the box will be displayed, and then you would see you'll see a search box asking you to enter your question here. So if you want to just search help articles, the help articles are articles that addresses specific problems that you can encounter by using your Ecwid account. So you can just search for whatever problem you have here, and then if you've done that and you cannot find a solution, you can just scroll down and then you see the contact support. All right, the contact support team, where you'd see open live chat, email support, etc. So if you want to get access to more help option, you can just click on this, and then you'll be redirected to the page where you'll be asked to upgrade your account. And then after upgrading your account, you'll be able to get access to more help option. But for the free sites, you can just click on open live chat to chat with the virtual agent online and get answers to your question. All right, so you can just type your question here, and then you click on start chat, and chat will begin automatically. Then if not, you can just click on the email support instead. All right, and then you'll be directed to another page where you'll be able to submit a request to via your email to the Ecwid Help Center. All right, so you can just add the file here. Just do all of this with the on-screen instruction, and you'll be able to contact the Ecwid Support. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.